Excuse me. Hello.
Hello. Welcome.
I feel a bit lost.
First time flying?
Yes, very first time.
Don't worry. I help you.
Where is check-in counter?
Right over there.
Thank you so much.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Great. And passport?
Oh, here.
Perfect. You are ready.
What next, please?
Go to baggage drop.
Baggage drop. Okay. Is it far?
No, very close.
Good. I'm scared.
No need to worry.
My bag is heavy.
How many bags?
Just one big bag.
That's okay.
What about my ticket?
You get boarding pass.
Boarding pass?
Yes. For the plane?
Oh, I see. Where is security check?
After baggage drop.
What happens there?
They check your bag.
Check my bag?
Yes, for safety.
Oh, okay.
Remove metal items.
Metal items?
Phone, belt, coins.
Oh no, many coins.
It's okay.
Then, where do I go?
Go to departure gate.
Departure gate?
Yes, your gate number.
Where can I see?
Look at that screen.
Oh, big screen.
Find your flight number.
Okay, I try. Oh, I found it.
Good job.
Gate A5.
Correct. Go there.
What if I am late?
Don't be late.
I will run.
Boarding starts soon.
What is boarding?
Entering the plane.
Oh, I understand.